All right, so I just got this in the mail. It is a smart bird feeder, which we love to do. It's by this company, I guess. Let's see if I can figure out how to open it. Oh yeah, here we go. Hang on. It's coming open. Ta-da! Look at that. That's cute, huh? Wow, well done. I love that. Shoot, I could frame that. That's a cool looking photo, like artwork. Let's put it over here. What's this? What is this thing? It's got a USB-C in it. I think this might be the camera. You follow me? Set that over there. And it looks like it goes right in there like that. But let's go ahead and oh look, there's a key. What does that key do? Wow, look at that. We might need this key, so let's hang on to that. I'm gonna set that there. Set the key over there. All right, so here we are. Let's go ahead and pull this off and see what's under here. Oh, the top got kind of stuck in there. Oh, there we go. All right, now we're cooking. Now we're cooking with grease, look. And it comes with some kind of like, look at that, what is that? Let's see what this is. I think it's like a keychain. Look at this. Look what I got. It's like a bird, kind of a fish bird. It's got the name of the thing on it. Apparently they give you a keychain with it. Let's set that over there. All right, so here's the bird feeder itself. So it's, kind of see-through. I think it's got a little thing on top. You pop it up, and then you would put all the bird feed in there, right? And then it kind of falls down here, and then the birds come here and eat it, I believe. And it's got a little top on it that you go like that. I think maybe you go like this. Does it go like that? So anyway, it's got these little things in it here that catch somehow. Maybe they go like this. Oh, yeah, there they go. So they fit right here. You follow me? They kind of set right there. So that's the top. It goes like that. And then you just go on top like that. And there's that. Let's set that there for a second. And let me just pop it back so you can see. Right here is this. Now you may need this. This is the smart bird feeder. It tells you everything how to do it. And then you get, this is the base, all right? And so this is, I am not a security camera, but a professional bird viewer. Yeah, okay, I believe you. All right, so this, I think you slide this in here, like this. It's like that, somehow like that. Or maybe it goes like this. I don't know. Oh, maybe it goes like this. Maybe this goes in here like that. We got to figure it out. Oh, wait a minute. So this has like a little lip on it. Nope, that's not the way it goes. All right, we're going to have to figure this out. We might have to read the directions. We might. That box is set. Right now we're just unboxing it. We're just trying to figure it out. This feels like another camera or something like that. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is so you can install it. And comes with like a thing to go around a tree, USB to USB-C, and this is a plate that you would put on the wall, and then you do this, like this. First of all, you gotta, if you look in there, you got that doohickey there. Let me pull it back. There we go. Now we can set this in there like that, and then you can screw this into the wall and then put that there like that, and then the bird thing would be on top of it. You follows me? So you tighten that down once you did that. You'd probably have to use needle nose pliers to do it. And then it kind of holds that in there. So let's set that over here. Comes with all these different screws and things. I'm not sure what we do with those, but we'll have to figure it out. But anyway, there she is. And I do believe that this, oh wait a minute, this would go on here like that. You follow me? And then we go ahead and put the screws in. There's 4 of them. They're in here. Right there, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, bam, done. And then this would sit in this thing once you put it on your pole or wall or whatever. If you got a concrete wall or if you got a wooden post, you could put it right in there. So let's set that there. Set that there. We're not going to do it right away. But what I'm trying to figure out is how this goes in there. You know what I mean? So I'm thinking that it would go like this. You would push it in, but I'm not sure. And then the birds would come and land on here. And then the food seems like it would slide down this because you see how it's concave. So I'm thinking that's supposed to go like that. But it doesn't seem to want to fit in there. Of course, I might be wrong about this stuff. Now there's a little thing right here that, maybe this is where you plug in the USB-C. I do not know. I know this is where I think you put the food in there. And this is like kind of concave back if you look at it. See how it's like going on an angle? So, yeah. All right, so that's that. And now this, I do believe we've got to charge, right? And then we got to hook all this stuff with I think we're going to have to hook it all together with a application. And this, I do believe, would just go in there like that. And then this way you can get to the back of it here, and you can plug your plug in, run it out. So, or I think you could just pull it out of here like that and plug it in, which I think we're going to do. To plug it in, you've got this right here, right? Let's get it undone. And there you go. There's your USB-C. If you look on here, this is USB-C. So we would just go ahead, plug that in there like that. And then this right here we need to put into a block to charge. So I'm thinking, oh, here, look. There is an on and off. You see that right there? I'm not quite sure. On and off. See, that's a little switch right here. So you'd pop it up. You got to push it up to make it on, push it down to make it off. It's very small. You see that? And you see how it says on and off? Then there's a little hole there. I'm not quite sure what that is. We're going to have to read about this. But anyway, so we got to plug it in anyway, so we'll do that. All right, so on further inspection, I see that this would fit inside of there. And I think that's for resetting it. You see? So don't lose this. You may need that. And you may need it to turn this on. You follow me? That might be a light that, I don't know. But, oh. Wow. Huh. All right, let's turn it off. So it's got a bird call to it. That was crazy. All right, we got to figure, look, it's got a little speaker up here. So that's interesting. All right, so don't lose this. You may need that. Okay, we're going to read up on this bad boy. But basically, that's everything that's in the box. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. I think we're going to need to read this. Peace out.